In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round numbers in Google Sheets using 3 easy methods. Imagine you've been handed a large spreadsheet with decimal numbers and need to tidy things up by rounding them. Sounds overwhelming? Don't worry, I've got you covered with simple steps to make your Google Sheets more organized. First, you'll want to start by opening your Google Sheet. Make sure it's accessible and has all the data you need to work with. Once you're in, direct your attention to column A. This is where the numbers that need rounding should be. Click on column A to select all the data within it. This selection is a general sweep for our first method. For the first method, we'll use the toolbar icons. If you look at the toolbar, you'll see the decrease decimal places icon. Click on this icon as many times as necessary to round the numbers to your desired decimal point. If you've gone too far, don't worry. You can always click Increase Decimal Places to adjust the numbers accordingly. This straightforward method visually rounds off the numbers without permanently changing their precision. Moving on to the second method, head to the top of your screen and click on the Format tab. A drop-down menu will appear, and you'll need to navigate to Number and then select Custom Number Format from the sub-menu. Here, you'll type Nash Asasaso 0,000 in the available search field. This format allows you to specify the exact decimal places you want to keep. Don't forget to click Apply to set this format on your selected column. This method is a bit more technical as it lets you define custom formatting, which is particularly useful when your data presentation needs that extra detail. Now for the third method, which involves using formulas directly in your cells. Start by selecting cell B2, where you want the rounded number to appear. Enter the formula around A2.2 and hit the Enter key. This formula ensures the number in cell A2 is rounded to 2 decimal places. Fast and precise, this formula is ideal when dealing with data that requires consistent rounding throughout. After doing this, use the autofill handle to apply the formula to the entire column. Simply click on the small square at the bottom right of the cell and drag it down to fill subsequent cells. If you need different styles of rounding, like rounding up or down, you can use the formulas roundup A2.2 in cell C2 and round down A2.2 in cell D2. Similarly, hitting Enter will execute these formulas, rounding up or down, respectively. Again, autofill your way down to maintain consistency. For those values you wish to round to the nearest multiple, type mround A2.2 in cell E2. After pressing Enter, this rounds off the number to the nearest specified multiple, in this case 2. Like before, use the autofill feature to apply this formula to the rest of your data. These methods give you a versatile grasp over your data, ensuring you can round numbers to best suit your presentation or analysis needs. By understanding these techniques, you'll streamline your workflow and gain confidence next time you're managing numerical data in Google Sheets.